Let's check the swans out. I don't want to get too close. There's one feeding there. Come back, come back, come back. One feeding there. Jake, come on this way. See the track that's been in here. Right down to the water's edge. There's a dog. I can't get too close. Can't see him properly. The pair that's nesting on one of the platforms. I think it's that one over there. A couple of mallards here. I don't want to be disturbing them too much. So yeah, just a short clip. Nice to see the wildlife. Jake, this way. Jake. I'm coming to investigate now, look. Jake, this way. We don't mess about those swans. Come right over. Come on, this way. Good boy. There's one right there. He's right up against the edge now. Another one there. That's mostly on. Let's get back out of here. Come on, So yeah, back on the old track, yeah. Oh, one dirty dog. He'll be in the lake low down now. So just a short one. It's the path around the backside of the lake. So yeah, that's all it is, peeps. It's a little photo, little video of the swans nesting on this lake. Well, I can go down the bottom lake and see maybe 100 swans, but these two on here, this dog, he doesn't stop. Come on, Jake.